Wanna smell that? Wanna hear that? Beautiful weather. Fresh air. The sky is blue. Clouds are out. The sun. It's a beautiful life. Life sweet, don't it? John, know I'm if I tell you. Here one now. Guess why it's set away now? Life sweet. Everybody should really appreciate life. When you wake up every day, it's a blessing. You know what I mean? Enough people never live to see today. And the reason why I say so, though, I gotta tell you now, say, Jamaica really set away. The Disaster Risk Management Act. It lift up, but still not see nothing going in Jamaica. It's like entertainment still stagnant. Pan away, you know what I mean? I don't know. Carnival come up them say, but that far from now, you know, it still set away. Enough damage is being made. Next thing is a bag of car accident. Be a young people are dead. Be a reckless driving pan the road. You know what I mean? The amount of young people dead from last month down to now. All the government, the Prime Minister have to come out, come address the matter. It really set away. Why so much young people are dead on the road in Jamaica? You know what I mean? Why the man them can't take them time? Well-known influencer in Jamaica, the winner, 876 roommate Lexi, because of carelessness, not on her fault, but the boyfriend's fault, she dead. And other people dead. Even today, I still see more accidents on the road. Young people, I beg you, take on the time on the road. Please take on the time and drive, because here what? I be old people are left back. Be your young people are dead. Be your young people. So when all of the young people them like yourself dead off and think, who are going to take over? You know what I mean? Who are going to continue the legacy? You know what I mean? When all our young people them dead off and thing, and not only the whole car accident thing is an issue. We see it in a school too. Recently, I don't want to call the high school name. When you can go check it on Instagram, one little girl have one knife under her dress and she use it and war and stab up one other girl. Young youth, them a fight them one another. One dead over gathering. I spend up to $200,000 for a gathering. Because man pour special liquid in it, say it will protect you from all kind of things. Now, I don't know what's happening with our youths right now. It's crazy. It's crazy. Now, I mean, my question is, when all of the youths them dead off, what we have to do, because they are the future. You know what I mean? The young people them are the future. You know what I mean? It really set away. You know what I mean? Because when them go in high school and search up the school them and search the school, them amount of weapon them, I be a scissors, I be a knife, I be a stabber thing. Me don't know, correct me if me an idiot, but me know school is a place where you go to learn. An institution where you go to learn, you know what I mean? Because you prepare for your future to become man or woman and, you know what I mean? Plan out your life and buy your dream house and start a family. You know what I mean? But it look like them should not just keep school locked. It better them they just keep school locked. You know what I mean? Because when the school is locked up, none of them things are not really going. You know what I mean? But since school open now, I don't know if the pandemic do something. or cause the pitney them head for chip, or them not no sense. But clearly them act like them a mad smart there. Probably them did lock up in a house too long, them turn idiot. Me no know, somebody correct me. Me no know. He set away. Me fix the camera good. You know what I mean? Make I fix the camera good. Me no know. Who no tell me if me wrong or I'm right. You know what I mean? Me no know if nobody knows to say COVID already killed enough people already. You know what I mean? COVID killed so much millions of people already, so why we are add on it? You know what I mean? Why we are add on the whole situation? COVID already killed enough people already. You know what I mean? COVID killed enough people already. You know what I mean? Right now the world should be healing. Jamaica should have healed. Man, I find things to do now, cause the country free up though. Free up. No, but you know, look like it free up. It look like it still set away because all the road empty. Them fly the entertainment, so them say I mean not see nothing go on. Man should not find time for just have fun right now. You know what I mean? I prepare for do something. If you go flip him man out the road and go make a hustle. But guess what? I don't know what go on. It's set away. So the only thing me have to say is make we pray. Young people them please stop drive so reckless on the road. You know what I mean? Young people them please just try keep on yourself out of trouble. Do me a beg, you know. Young people them slow out the violence, brother. I mean the pandemic already killed so much people already. We need to unite. We need to find something to do. You know what I mean? Be proactive. You know what I mean? We have to focus on school. If you have a talent, use the talent. If you have a trade, use the trade, no man. You know what I mean? Haven't we not lost enough people already? We lost too much people dead already. COVID killed too much people already. So I beg me young people them, my people them in Jamaica, on allow the violence, man. Too much killing, brother. It's very sad and it really set away. I don't know what to say. You know what I mean? But may God help us all in Jamaica. You know what I mean? And that's just my 1-2 on the matter. I want to just go on journey with your boy. Thank you very much for watching. Smash this video. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so. And after this video, we just go back to the regular schedule thing. You know what I mean? This was just a message out to Jamaica. You know what I mean? I cry to my country. You know what I mean? Because it really set away. You know what I mean? I just go on journey with your boy, channel. Shoot!